guys, it's the 8th of March today. Abhi thoda I'm alone in the room and I was just getting some work done and I thought chalo let's do some real time update of what's happening क्योंकि vlogs थोड़े इधर चालू थे and I was like chalo let's do this. So okay, कल we came back from that full moon party. It was an amazing time there because it's different. It's not something that I have done before and पूरा island is legit only for partying और कुछ नहीं है उधर. Imagine how crazy this is and all Firangs and all they are getting so crazy party करते हुए मजा आ गया to see that. And वहाँ पे भी कुछ ऐसा सीन था कि निकलने के टाइम भी you can take a ferry back. We had that ID with us, right? So we can take that ferry back. I'll show you the view. Yeah, let's keep this view. Okay. So the first ferry to come back starts at 1 AM. ठीक है, so 1 बजे 2 बजे 3 बजे 4 बजे 5 बजे 6 बजे is the last one. So we took the first ferry out क्योंकि हो गया था enjoy करके देख के and everything and we thought let's come back. But पता है वापस आने को भी वो pier पे मारा मारी टाइप्स थी, you know, कि everyone wants to get into the boat and there's no proper system. But ठीक है, we took that ferry, we came back and जान बचा के आए types. It was scary. That ferry was scary. I think मैंने वो बेट थोड़ा सा vlog किया था. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं, वहाँ से you have ferry का ही transfer back to your hotel. बस वहाँ पे जाके बोलो कौन सा आपका होटल है and वो आपको उस टैक्सी में डाल देंगे साथ में. So we reached our hotel combo quite late and यहाँ पे सब शट हो चुका था खाने को. फुकेट में कैसे you have रात भर to eat stuff. Koh Samui में बंद हो जाता है. So you can't expect that. अगर आपको खाना ही है तो वो आइलैंड पे ही खा लेना क्योंकि वहाँ पे सब ओपन है, राइट? तो वहाँ पे खा लेना. वी वर थिंकिंग कि हम उस पार चले जाए, मेन आइलैंड पे आ जाए Koh Samui के, देन वील गेट टू ईट समथिंग और देन वील ईट रैदर समथिंग. तो वो तो नहीं हुआ, तो वो हमने वहाँ पर ही खा लिया. सो दैट वॉज दैट. Okay, plan of action for today is nothing. From the group we have a leisure day, so I am catching up on some work today, but we'll and I wanted some solo experience. So yeah, तो I'll go out with the girls. I think lunch के लिए तो I will go out with them only, but उसके बाद I'm not sure. We are going to do a pool thing and beach thing, but I wanted some solo me time also to experience on this trip and let's see if that happens. But this is the update for now. मेरे को लग रहा है मैं first time ठीक से बैठ के vlog में बात कर रही हूँ because अब तक it has been quite rush because मेरा भी ऐसा first time है wherein I don't have my Rish along with me or something like that. But let's see where this day takes us. So this is the first I am doing something that I've never done before. I have taken myself out for a lunch and I'm having lunch alone, 10 for 1. And I'm at this fancy restaurant, Sisi, and I've ordered falafel for myself. Yeah, I'm happy about this decision. I've ordered myself some falafel. Yup, just enjoying. Good food. Had fun and the view is waiting down now. A good solo experience. Now let's get some water. Thirsty. Thank you for buying me. Thank you. Got myself some juice from that basic store. It's a family-owned business. Loving it. And I don't think there's much to explore this side, so I'm just gonna go back to the hotel and go to the beach or something, and that will be fun. Let's do that. I am at the beach right now. Solo-ish experience and this is so much fun. I'll just show you my view. That's my view. अभी हम जा रहे हैं जस्ट टू चिल एंड बिफोर गेटिंग इनटू आवर मिनी वैन्स।
पहुंच चुके हैं क्राबी एंड ये हमारा एरिया है, दैट्स अ होटल, दैट्स द एरिया। मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ ठीक से। और इट इज़ सो प्रीटी, इट हैज़ अ वेरी वेकेशन वाइब एंड आई एम मिसिंग मयूरेश हियर फॉर श्योर। चलो चलते हैं। ढंग का शावर, आजा आजा। So cute.
Why are you laughing, bro? All cool? चले?
Finally, some Indian food. Happy?
Very.
Having Indian?
No.
Nope. So हमने just dinner किया and on the second last day we finally had Indian food and it was so nice. रोटी भाजी खा के ग्लास में पानी पी के मज़ा आ गया। We went to Taj Palace. It wasn't Taj वाला, but it was nice. अभी we are just heading towards the market to see what to do, what not to do, and we'll probably shop a little bit. So let's go. Let's do that. अभी हम यहाँ पे पासपोर्ट कवर बनवा रहे हैं। कलर सिलेक्ट करो, नाम बता दो, and you also select the logo, and all of this only for 100. शॉपिंग कर लिया हमने और अभी फ़िलहाल हम भटक रहे हैं फास्ट क्योंकि ऋतु मैडम को बिकिनी लेनी है कल के लिए और वो छोड़ के वो हर दुकान पर रुकेगी। ये देख पैंट कितनी सॉफ्ट है, ये देख ये कितना अच्छा है। तो अभी उस चक्कर में हम और कुछ नहीं कर रहे। अगर कोई भी ऋतु को जानता है वो बोल सकता है कि मैं सच बोल रही हूँ और बदनाम नहीं कर रही हूँ।